How to change control center in Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to change the control center in Xiaomi, first of all launch the settings application on our device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of notifications and control center. Now scroll down again and here you can see the option of control center. So just tap on this option of control center style. So here we basically have two options. One is older version where you pull down the status bar to view toggles and notifications, whereas the other one is the new version where you can pull down the status bar on the left to view notifications and pull down the status bar on the right to open control center. Right now I have toggled on for old version, so let me switch it to new version over here, and that's it. So here you have other options as well, so you can just select the additional cards, items shown on the lock screen, and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.